हेलो फ्रेंड्स, वेलकम टू माय यूट्यूब चैनल ऑनलाइन लर्निंग वेबसाइट। दोस्तों, आज हम लोग बात करेंगे आईसी इंजन के ऑब्जेक्टिव क्वेश्चंस के बारे में, जो कि आपके एग्जामिनेशन प्रोस्पेक्टिव से काफ़ी इंपॉर्टेंट हो सकते हैं फॉर कॉम्पिटिटिव एग्जामिनेशन एंड अदर एग्जामिनेशन। तो चलते हैं दोस्तों, फर्स्ट क्वेश्चन की तरफ बात बढ़ते हैं। फर्स्ट क्वेश्चन ये कह रहा है कि द कांस्टेंट वॉल्यूम प्रोसेस इन आईसी इंजन इज कैरेक्टरिस्टिक्स ऑफ द, आपको बताना है राइट आंसर। कांस्टेंट वॉल्यूम प्रोसेस इन आईसी इंजन इज अ कैरेक्टरिस्टिक्स ऑफ द राइट आंसर इज स्पार्क ignition. The right answer is spark is ignition. The next question: compression ignition engines use liquid fuels of dash volatility. Compression ignition engines use liquid fuels of dash volatility. The right answer is low volatility. The third question: compression ratio may be of the order of 11.5 is to 1 to 20 is to 1 in case of, the right answer is CI engine. The fourth question: low CO and hydrocarbon emission occurs at low and moderate loads in case of, question is fourth is low carbon monoxide and hydrocarbon emission occurs at low and moderate loads in case of, the right answer is the diesel engine. Question number 5. A triangular rotor rotates on an eccentric shaft inside an epohydro housing, epohydral housing, and the rotor tips being in constant contact with the housing and form their working chamber. The right answer is फिफ्थ का राइट आंसर हो जाएगा वाइंकल या रोटरी इंजन। क्वेश्चन नंबर 6 कह रहा है कि इन केस ऑफ एयरक्राफ्ट इंजन द पावर एट 6100 m altitude is about dash percentage of the sea level wide open throttle output for any given speed. The right answer is 50. In case of aircraft engine, the power at 6100 m altitude is about dash percentage of the sea level wide open throttle up output for any given speed. What is speed? That is 50% of the sea level. Question number 7 कह रहा है कि the stroke bore ratio in case of aircraft engine is normally, stroke bore ratio in case of aircraft engine is normally, the right answer is below 1.0 या below 1. The stroke bore ratio in case of aircraft engines in normally below 1. नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन, क्वेश्चन नंबर 8 कह रहा है कि द स्पॉन्टेनियस कंबशन या ऑटो इग्निशन ऑफ एन एप्लीकेबल portion of the charge. The spontaneous combustion or auto ignition of an appreciable portion of the charge. What is the right answer is question number 8 का right answer हो जाएगा that is your combustion knock. Next question, question number 9. A divided chamber construction, a combination of the pre-combustion chamber and the turbulence chamber design. A divided chamber construction, a combination of the pre-combustion chamber and the turbulence chamber design. The right answer is energy cell. Question number 10. Early or late injection of fuel in the design engine result in, early or late injection of the fuel in the diesel engine result in, the right answer is 10 का हो जाएगा लॉस ऑफ पावर। अर्ली या लेट इंजेक्शन ऑफ फ्यूल इन द डीजल इंजन रिजल्ट होगा उसका लॉस ऑफ पावर। द नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन, क्वेश्चन नंबर 11. इंजेक्शन सिस्टम विच फोर्सेस फ्यूल थ्रू स्प्रे नोजल बाय हाइड्रोलिक प्रेशर. What is the right answer is mechanical injection is the right answer. Next question, question number 12. The next question, question number 12 is says that, क्वेश्चन ये कह रहा है क्वेश्चन नंबर 12 कि at a times at a times meter or and forces the fuel at high pressure through the spray nozzle. At times meters and forces the fuel at high pressure through the spray nozzle. The right answer is injection pump. The right answer is injection pump. Question number 13. A restriction in the outer end of the carburetor to provide an extra rich air fuel mixture for starting. Question number 13 is that a restriction in the outer end of the carburetor to provide an extra rich air fuel mixture for starting. The right answer is 13 का choke. Question number 14. Used to produce gas tight seal between the piston and the cylinder liner. Used to produce gas tight seal between the piston and the cylinder liner. What is the right answer is that? The right answer is that 14 का, that is piston ring. Question number 15. It takes care of the fluctuation or the cyclic variation in speed. It cares of the fluctuation or the cyclic variation in the speed. The right answer is fly wheel. Question number 16. Question number 16 says that closes one end of the cylinder and contains the inlet and exhaust valve. The right answer is cylinder head. Cylinder head is the right answer. Next question. Question number 17 says that a dash is device used to diminish noise of the intake or exhaust. Question number 17 is muffler. MUFFLER. Muffler is a device used to diminish noise of the intake or exhaust. Question number 18. Of the finished part of a shaft which rotates in or against a bearing is called. The right answer is 18 का right answer है, that is your general bearing. General bearing. The finished part of a shaft which rotates or in against a bearing is called general part. The next question, question number 19. An item made of thin layer. An item made of thin layer. The right answer is laminated. That is your laminated. LAMI, laminated. Next question, question number 20. The most effective knock super. The next question, question number 20. The most effective knock super. Sir. The most effective knock suppressor. What is the right answer is tetraethyl lead. The right answer is tetraethyl lead. The next question, question 21. Optimum spark advance is the timing which develop maximum. Is torque. Optimum spark advance is the timing which develop maximum spark. Question 21 is that optimum spark advance is the timing which develop maximum is the right answer is torque. TORQE, torque. Next question, question number 22. Higher concentration of NOx are found in IC engine with dash compression ratio. Higher concentration of NOx are found in IC engine with the dash compression ratio. The right answer is higher compression ratio. Next question, question 23rd. The principal source of exhaust carbon monoxide is. The right answer is rich mixture combustion. Question 24. Masses used for balancing purpose. Masses used for balancing purpose. Question number 24. Masses used for balancing purpose. Right answer is crank webs. Right answer is question 24 का right answer हो जाएगा crank webs. The next question, question number 25. Question 25 कह रहा है कि a device for atomizing and vaporizing the fuel and mixing it with air in verifying properties. The right answer is, for question 25, right answer is carburetor. क्या होगा? right answer is carburetor. Carburetor. And the next question, question 26, is used to step up 6 or 12 volts to high tension voltage of about 20 kilowatt. The right answer is, question 26 का right answer is the ignition oil. Ignition coil used to set up 6 or 12 volts to high tension voltage of about 20 kilowatt. The right answer is ignition coil. Question 27. The closed area formed by suction and exhaust operation in IC engine. The right answer is negative loop. Question 28. Ratio of brake power to indicated power. Ratio of brake power up to indicated power is called as 28 is, that is mechanical efficiency. Mechanical efficiency is equal to brake power upon indicated power. The next question, question number 30, question 29, that is the ratio of brake power output to the fuel energy input per time. What is the right answer is thermal efficiency. The ratio of brake power output to the fuel energy input per time. The right answer is thermal efficiency. The next question, question number 30. Question 30 says that the ratio of the mass of the charge admitted during the suction stroke of the engine to the mass at the normal pressure and temperature of the volume of the charge equal to piston displacement. The ratio of the mass of the charge admitted during the suction stroke of the engine to the mass of at the normal pressure and temperature of the fuel of the charge equal to the piston displacement. The right answer is question number 30 का right answer हो जाएगा, that is your charge efficiency. Next question, question number 31. The ratio of indicated thermal efficiency to the corresponding ideal air standard efficiency. The right answer is relative efficiency. Next question, question number 32. 32 question कह रहा है कि the ratio of actual fuel air ratio and the chemically correct fuel air ratio. The right answer is relative fuel air ratio. The right answer is relative fuel air ratio. Next question, question number 33. Specific fuel consumption is maximum for fuel air ratio. Specific fuel consumption is maximum for fuel air ratio. The right answer is less than 1. Next question, question number 34. Mean effective pressure is maximum for fuel air ratio. The right answer is greater than 1. Next question, question 35. The mechanical efficiency of a multi-cylinder engine is determined by dash test. Mechanical efficiency of a multi-cylinder engine is determined by the dash test. The right answer is Morse. कौन सा टेस्ट होगा? That is Morse. MORSE. Morse test. The next question, question number 36. The four-stroke cylinder for the four-stroke cycle is complete in dash revolution of crankshaft. The right answer is that 2. That is, answer is 2 revolution of crankshaft. The four-stroke cycle is complete in 2 revolution of crankshaft. Next question, question number 37 is that for completion of 4-stroke, the camshaft makes dash revolution. The right answer is that is 1 revolution. The next question, question number 38. Only air is sucked in during suction stroke. The right answer is diesel engine. Question number 39. Question 39 is that Dash operation in a four-stroke cycle petrol engine continues from 50 degree from bottom dead center to 10 degree after top dead center. The right answer is 39 का exhaust. Exhaust operation in the four-stroke petrol cycle petrol engine continues from 50 degree bottom dead center to 10 degree after top dead center. Question number 40. The thermal efficiency of diesel engine in comparison to petrol engine is. The right answer is higher. The thermal efficiency of a diesel engine in comparison to petrol engine is higher. Question 41. The dash is used for obtaining required firing order in spark ignition engine. The right answer is distributor. Distributor is used for obtaining required firing order in the spark ignition. Question 42 is that petrol engines employ dash governing. Petrol engines employ. Right answer is quantity governing. Question 43. Standard firing order for 4-cylinder petrol engine is dash. क्या होगा स्टैंडर्ड ऑर्डर? तो यहाँ पे इसका राइट आंसर हो जाएगा दैट इज 1 1 3 4 and 2. This is standard firing order of 4-cylinder petrol engine. And the next, that is standard firing order of 6-cylinder petrol engine is होगा 1 4 2 6 3 and 5. 1 4 2 6 3 5 is the standard order firing order of 6-cylinder petrol engine. The next question, question 45, is that Morris test is used for multi-cylinder spark ignition engines to determine. इसलिए करते हैं. Right answer is that मैकेनिकल इफिशियंसी निकालने के लिए यूज़ करते हैं. नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन 46. ऑटो इग्निशन रिएक्शन टाइम फॉर पेट्रोल एयर मिक्सचर इज द मिनिमम फॉर रिलेटिव फ्यूल एयर रेशियो ऑफ डैश. द राइट आंसर इज यूनिटी. Next question, question 47. The tendency of knock in CI engine increase with dash the cooling water temperature. The next question, right answer is the lowering. The tendency to knock in CI engine increase with knocking. 47. That is the tendency of knock in CI engine increase with lowering the cooling water temperature. Next question, question 48. Question 48 कह रहा है कि iso-octane number iso-octane in a fuel for spark ignition is dash auto ignition. The right answer is retards. Okay, right answer is the RETARDS, retards. Question 5. Next question, question 49. 49 कह रहा है कि normal heptane in fuel for spark ignition engine is dash auto ignition. The right answer is 49 का राइट आंसर हो जाएगा दैट इज योर एक्सेलरेट. क्वेश्चन 50 नाउ. क्वेश्चन 50 दैट इज द नॉकिंग इन SI इंजन इंक्रीज इन कंप्रेशन रेशियो. द नॉकिंग इन SI इंजन इंक्रीज in compression ratio. The next question, question 51. Advancing the spark timing in SI engine dash the tendency for knocking. The right answer is increase. Advancing the spark timing in SI engine increases the tendency for knocking. The next question, question 52. The tendency to knock in SI engines and the cooling water temperature are dash. The next question, tendency to knock in SI engine and the cooling water temperature are dash. Right answer is directly related. The next question, question 53 is that what is the right answer? 53 का क्वेश्चन ये कह रहा है कि इग्निशन क्वांटिटी ऑफ फ्यूल फॉर SI इंजन इज डिटरमाइंड बाय is octane number rating. Question 54. The petrol available commercially in the country has octane number of. The right answer is 80 to 85. Question 55 is that the diesel available commercially in the country has cetane number of is 40 to 45. Next question, question 56. The knocking tendency in CI engine increase with. the dash of the compression ratio. The knocking tendency in CI engine increase with dash, that is your decrease in the compression ratio. These are the answer we discuss from video. Like and please video like and subscribe. Thanks for watching and sharing.